Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Eero to Verizon 5G home internet. First, connect your phone or computer to the Verizon 5G gateway Wi-Fi. Open a web browser and enter the gateway IP address, which is usually 192.168.1.1. Log in with the administrator details found on the label of your Verizon router. After logging in, open the Advanced Settings and go to Network Settings or Network Connections. Select the Home or Office Network option, click Edit, and find the IP pass-through or bridge mode setting. Enable this option so your Eero can manage the network connection directly. Also, turn off the Verizon Gateway Wi-Fi to avoid wireless interference. Save the changes and restart the Verizon Gateway. Next, connect your Eero system. Find LAN port 2 on the Verizon 5G gateway. For many Verizon 5G gateways, LAN port 1 does not work with IP pass-through, so make sure you use LAN port 2. Connect an Ethernet cable from LAN port 2 on the Verizon gateway to the Ethernet or WAN port on your main Eero device. Open the Eero app and follow the setup steps to create your network. If the Eero does not connect immediately, unplug the Verizon gateway, wait about 5 minutes, then plug it back in. Thanks for watching.